Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved messages on Snapchat using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, go to Snapchat. Then right here, click Chat. Then open a conversation. Press the message and click Save in Chat. For example, this is the message that you saved. Press the message. Then right here, you can unsave in chat, copy, and delete it. So I will click delete. So what is delete chat? When you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. This might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat. Now, tap OK and click delete chat. Then right here, it says that you deleted a chat. It goes same with photos and videos. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!